AJW, also known as Lycan AJW. I hope you guys are having a great day. Is it Saturday today? I can't remember. I literally, ever since I finished college, I've actually lost track of time. Like, major lost. I can't remember what day it is. What day is it today? I know I'm not doing this on a Saturday, because my mum's still at work. So, it's not Saturday, she doesn't work Saturdays. So yes, okay, so you clicked on this video. There's a reason why this title is actually there, because this actually happened to me. I had a cough for a whole, pretty much year. So it started in the summer of, like, the end of year 8. So the year 8 summer to year 9. Now, let's say this, near enough the end of the year, I noticed this cough coming in, and I was like, that was real. That sounded real. I don't know if that was real, but I'm bright red, so I'm going to turn. Let's just say this, my room's been baking hot. Like, my room's like the hottest in the house, so if you hear a fan at any point, yes, it's my fan trying to keep me cool, and you probably can tell my hair's moving a little bit because that's why. Okay. So, yes, this cough started pretty much early September of year 9, and I remember pretty much every detail to this, and this was what, 5 years ago? So it made an impact on me, on basically that I can remember every detail to this and not forget that easily. But, oh yes, it works. So, let's just say this, it was really awkward because this cough actually got me to a few situations of me being in trouble. I wasn't the trouble person in school. I was always the good girl, so yes. But I can remember this happening so well, like, okay, so you know the Lycan bottles, you know, not the Lycan bottles, you know these today, like these. I mean like the sporty ones, like the ones which you can just squeeze and go, poof, that. I remember that, and I had one of them in my bag, empty luckily, because I was like, oh, I just finished Lycan, so I just downed it in class before actually tutor started. Tutor, if you don't know what that is, in our school it was basically the first lesson which you had at the start of your day. It lasted for 10 minutes and then you were put off to your actual lessons. So yes, and I actually stole one of my mum's coats. So I drank it all and put the Coke into the Lycan bottle. Now I had a really close friend of mine, and her name was Ashley. She actually joined from this year, so from the year 9. Then she went to year 10, 11 with me. I was on my own through pretty much in tutor through 7 and 8. Yes, I know you're thinking, oh wow, she sounds really lonely. Well, yes, I kind of was in tutor, but during my rest of my lessons, so yeah, I was just like, what's up, guys? If any of them are watching this, they're gonna be like, what the fuck is she doing, Alex? Why are you saying these? But yes, this is what happened, and yeah. So, I kind of dropped my Lycan bottle. Don't forget, the lid was on and everything, and it was, you could test how, if the drink's gonna explode or not. So, I squeezed it, check if it was hard. No, one, dirty minders, get out of here. Because I would think the same thing as you, basically. But yes. That's how you could test it. If it was soft, if it was this, if I could do that so easily, then it wasn't gonna explode when I opened it. But when you got no air going, or the pressurized air is so tight, I'm trying to, like that, then, like that Lycan bottle was. So when I opened it, I kind of went like fountain, like wee. Luckily, I moved it away beforehand, so basically, table was here. We were here, where I am, table's there, that's the edge. The other side was there, we put it there, and I was like, Ashley, get all the paper away just in case, because she had all the paper and books. We had them on there because we were just getting stuff done, and like, because we get these new timetables and blah blah blah. But yes, and so when I went to open it, unfortunately luckily there was no one in front of us on the front seat, so they didn't get splashed, but the two next over did. I don't know how, but yes. So, but my job was, I had the logic of thinking, oh my god, it's a fountain! I decided to put it straight into my mouth like a smart ass. So in my fact, I wear a white blazer and luckily black. So luckily none of my blazer got it, but my jumper was soaking because we were trying to dry it with our jumpers. So we would have to go, why did I choose this to wear? So basically, jumper, we were doing that to the table, like trying to dry it off. Then my cough kicked in, but the thing is, my tutor came past and I coughed like really badly, and Mr. Matex, my form tutor, said, "You okay, Alex? And what the hell have you two been doing?" Oh shit, I got in trouble. So yes, but he said, "Okay, Alex, Ashley." Actually, he didn't know her name back then. So he was like, "Ashley, and who are you?" My name's Ashley. I'm not gonna say her last name. And yes, so go to the girls' bathroom. Luckily, it was that happened. So that was one instant of the three I'm gonna be talking about. Now, the worst possible moment is when assembly came in. Now, we were always at the back row. Our class was always at the back row because we were the furthest away from assembly from our class. So we did this, and when we came to like Mr. Borkwell, our head of year, unfortunately he kind of kept following us to year 10, year 11, then I say bye bye. We're meant to get a different one every year, but he joined us in year 8. I don't know why. I got told we meant to have a different one every year. But no, he decided to join us. Like he decided to join us. I was like, wow. So I started coughing so badly. I was like, but yes, I was coughing that mad. Mr. Borkwell sent me out. So then he said, "Alex, you okay? Have you been to the doctors?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm fine. Just a bad cough." At this point, it was only happening for a month. So, now where does my third instant come in? Now, my third instant came in when I went into the hospital. So, you know that advert went around, most people in the UK will understand this, about if you had a cough for more than 3 weeks, go to your local hospital and everything. At this point, I had it for 3 months. I was about to swear. I had it for 3 months, and then the advert came on. So I went in, had an x-ray. Guess what they said? The worst part is, they told me to hold my breath, so I did. I was like, oh! Of course, not wearing this, unfortunately. But it was really awkward for the nurse. She's like, "Okay, so love, take off your top, take off your unders. It was like, she was so confused. I was just like coughing like mad. I was coughing and laughing, but I tried to cover it with the cough. That bad. So yeah. But it's really funny because some nurses don't say the word bra. Yeah. But yes, that's how the third one happened. So I hope you guys enjoy. I know this is a really old story, how my 1 year cough. By the way, we don't even know how all I remember, it lasted for, I think, around about a year and 6 months or 3 months. I know it was during year 10 as well. So technically it really lasted for, yeah, over a year or so. But so please like, please subscribe if you're new. I'm Lycan, also known as Alexandra J.
We live to keep score.